Do you want to delete albums on Facebook? You can delete a Facebook photo album with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a photo album on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the horizontal lines menu at the top left. From here, select your profile name to go to your profile. Now, you are on your Facebook profile page. Scroll down and tap on the Photos section below your profile picture and bio. Under Photos, tap on the Albums to view all your photo albums. Now, find the album you want to delete and tap on it to open. Once the album is open, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Delete. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this album. Tap Delete to confirm. Now, the selected album and all photos in it will be permanently deleted from your Facebook profile.